Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are discussing different forms of normalization in database. Our today's topic is second normal form. A relation is in second normal form if it is in first normal form and all its non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent upon the primary key of the relation. Conditions for second normal form. The primary key consists of only one attribute. No non-key attribute exists in the relation. Every non-key attribute is fully functionally dependent upon whole primary key. In this employee relation, which consists of employee ID, name, department, salary, course, and date completed, name, department, and salary attribute of an employee is dependent on employee ID attribute, and the date completed attribute is dependent upon employee ID and course, both of these composite primary key. Problems in second normal form are also called anomalies in second normal form: insertion anomaly, deletion anomaly, and modification anomaly. Insertion anomaly. Suppose we want to insert a new record into the relation employee. We must provide the value for both employee ID and course because these attributes are selected as primary key of the relation. Deletion anomaly. Suppose we want to delete a row for an employee. We will also lose the information about the employee who have completed a course on a particular date. Modification anomaly. Suppose the department of an employee is changed. In this case, we must also update multiple rows. It is because a single employee may exist in multiple rows. The simplest way to convert a relation into second normal form is to break down the relation into two relations. For example, the employee relation, we have break down the employee relation into employee 1 table. Employee 1 relation consists of employee ID, name, department, and salary attribute, and a course relation which consists of employee ID, course, and date completed attribute. Employee 1 relation have employee ID as primary key, and all attributes, all non-key attributes of the relation like name, department, and salary are fully functionally dependent on primary key employee ID of the relation. And in course relation, all non-key attribute like date completed are fully functionally dependent on primary key which is employee ID and course. So this relation is in second normal form. The employee 1 relation consists of only one attribute for primary key, so it satisfies the first condition. The non-key attribute date completed in course relation is fully functionally dependent on composite primary key, so this satisfies the third condition. Now these two relations are in second normal form. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.